Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing well. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. As it is rightly said, gaining knowledge is the first step to wisdom. Sharing it is the first step to humanity. And education is the most powerful weapon we can use to change the world. So, here we upload amazing and interesting facts related to technology, psychology, food, animals, sports, horror, and many other updated facts. Enjoy the facts, also share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get timely notifications. Keep supporting. Nearly one third of Korean women undergo at least one cosmetic surgery. 7% of American adults believe that milk comes from brown cows. Canada has 9% of the world's forest. In South Korea, the rainwater is stored so it can be used to clean the street later. Ice pops were invented by an 11-year-old by accident. NASA astronauts successfully harvest two plants in space. According to science, firstborn children are smarter than their siblings. More than 30 million Chinese people still live in caves. Guys, please help me reach 1000 subscribers. 1 in 10 people have dropped their phone down in a toilet. For 186 days of the year, the sun is not visible at the North Pole. PVR Cinemas has most number of screens in the world. Drug lord Pablo Escobar spent $2,500 a month on rubber bands to hold all his cash. According to ancient myths, birthmarks show how you were killed in your past life. The national animal of Scotland is actually a mythical unicorn. Money isn't made out of paper, it's made out of cotton. In an average lifetime, human skin completely replaces 900 times. Japanese trains are among the world's most punctual. Their average delay is just 18 seconds. Thomas Beatty is the first man to get pregnant and give birth on 29 June 2008. Israel is the only country in the world to draft women into military service. France was the first country to introduce the license plate. Music has the ability to repair brain damage as well as repair memory loss. Cockroach's milk is 3 times more nutritious than cow's milk. World's deepest sinkhole is located in China. In China, teachers allow children to sleep in class for 20 minutes to learn better. People who work at night tend to weigh more. Istanbul is the only city in the world which is located in 2 continents, Asia and Europe. A rat can fall from 5-story building without injury. The official language of Nagaland is English. The Burj Khalifa is so tall you can see 2 sunsets from it in one day. King Kong was the first film to have a sequel. A 60-minute nap can improve alertness for up to 10 hours. Albert Einstein's eyes remain in a safe box in NYC. 82% teens don't ring the bell. They text or call to say they are outside. If you could fly a plane to Pluto, the trip would take more than 800 years. Red wine has the ability to kill cancer cells. Violin bows are commonly made from horsehair. There's a village in Netherlands with no roads. The only form of transportation is boat. Your crush sees you 20% more attractive than you think you are. %90 of people always wet their toothbrush before or after applying paste. Glabella is a space between your eyebrows. Ona Chaplin, who played Robb Stark's wife in Game of Thrones, is Charlie Chaplin's granddaughter. Black cats are considered to bring good luck in Japan. The average person walks the equivalent of 5 times around the world in their lifetime. Chocolate milk is more efficient at giving energy than most energy drinks. We feel thirsty when we lose 1% of water in our body. Bananas contain a natural chemical which can make people feel happy. A one-day weather forecast requires about 10 million math calculations. In ancient time, if you marry a woman from a prostitute, you'll be released from prison or jail. Coco the gorilla understood 2000 words of spoken English and had 1000 sign language responses, died at age 46. Thanks for watching. For more such facts, subscribe to our YouTube channel.